Jeans today. What if I tell you that you aren't wearing a single pair of jeans, but you're wearing 100 bottles of water? Possibly no. 200. No. 500. Maybe 1000? Or how about 5000 bottles of water? Or 10,000 liters of water? Yes, it takes 10,000 liters of water just to craft one pair of jeans. It's not a joke, it's brutal reality. I would like to talk about something urgent: virtual water. We have a major thirst trap in our hands. And it's not your gym selfie, it's denim. Yes, that cool, casual, can't live without pair of jeans is actually a water guzzling fashion monster. It takes over 7,000 liters of water just to craft one pair, enough to hydrate you for the next 7 years, or fill your bottle approximately an hour. And often we are aware about it, but we never think about implementing it. We listen to podcasts, read slogans, listen to speeches, but never implement. And my speech may go waste if you don't implement this. One day, I remember very clearly, we had no water in the house. No water to brush, no water to cook, no water to drink. My parents and me had to buy bottled water from some shops. At first, I didn't really feel like a big deal, but slowly I began to realize how much we rely on water for every single drop. That day, I thought deeply. I wondered, is there any hidden water we don't know we're using? And that's when I came across the concept of virtual water. It was a moment that made me want to learn more. So just imagine in this world if there was no petrol. And without petrol, a car can't work. So simply one day, if there's no water, and without water, we can't survive. So I wanted to take action, not just for myself, but for the world. Let me share some facts that might surprise you. Did you know that jeans travel more than you? From cotton fields in India and Pakistan to dye houses in China and sewing factories in Mexico. Your jeans might rack up more frequent flyer miles than your passport. Cotton is the real culprit. Most of the water just goes into growing cotton. It is basically the diva of crops. High maintenance and always thirsty. To make one chicken burger, it takes about 2,400 liters of water. That's what you would nearly drink for the next 4 years. So, this is virtual water, the water which is hidden. We don't know we use it and waste it every single day. First of all, I would like to thank my uncle who owns a yarn factory. He helped me understand this process better. Now, how about let's do some math to understand where it all comes from. Break down why so much water is used. The first step: cotton cultivation. Most of the water just goes into growing cotton. It is a very thirsty crop. It takes about 7,000 to 8,000 liters just to grow cotton needed for one pair of jeans. The second step: dyeing and finishing. The denim is dyed often multiple times for indigo shades. Water intensive washing and chemical treatments are used. Adds 500 to 1,500 liters more. The third step: manufacturing and transport. There's some water which goes into use of stitching factories, but this is relatively small. That was a huge water wastage. Now let me ask you, have you ever wasted food or thrown away a pair of jeans or a t-shirt just because you thought it was out of fashion? If yes, then you've also unknowingly wasted liters and liters of water. But the good thing is, we can do something about it. And it doesn't need big machines or complicated systems. It starts with awareness and small daily choices. We can avoid wasting food, finish what's on our plate, fix leaking taps, try to use buckets instead of showers when possible, educate ourselves and others of the value of water. pledge to save 5 liters a day. I'm trying to follow these practices myself. I only use water and when necessary, and I remind my family and friends to do the same. Let me say this with all my heart. Think before you let it drip. Water may seem endless now, but one day it might be gone when we need it the most. So I ask you, when you go home, can you avoid wasting food? Finish what's on your plate. Educate yourselves and the people surrounded by you with virtual water. And pledge to save 5 liters a day. If we just save a few liters a day, together we can save millions. So let's treat every drop as if it matters, because it truly does. Let's not wait for another dry tap to remind us. It's time to act now. Think before you let it drip. Save water, save life. Thank you.